Hi YouTube, it's Marie here, and today I'll be reviewing a wig from Amazon, a blonde lace front rooted wig. So a little bit about me. I've been natural for 3 years now. I did the big chop, which was 0 all over. So yeah, since then wigs have been my go-to protective style. This wig is from Amazon. It's called Style Icon Wig. It was £45, £5 delivery. It came within about 3 working days, so that was really good, especially now we're stuck in quarantine. I shall open up the box.
And it comes with some eyelashes, which is lovely. This is the wig, and it also comes with a wig cap, but the only thing is it's not packaged, so I'm not sure if I'll put that on my head.
So it has a comb here, and also a comb here. I will cut the lace off, but I will not be gluing it to my hair. So I've put my wig cap on. For the purpose of this video, I have not braided my hair underneath, but normally I do braid my hair. And now it's time to cut this lace off. If you can see right here, this lace. But I will be very mindful of these little baby hairs, which is quite nice for £45, and it's quite long as well. It's about 18 inches. So yes.
You will fit on my head.
Okay guys, so I'm finding it a little bit hard to fit on my head, and I think that's because I have not braided my hair. But other than that, I really like it. I love the colour. The colour is beautiful. I haven't even tweezed this or put concealer on it yet, and I really like it. Oh yeah, synthetic hair looks quite natural. I mean, look at this. I should have braided my hair. I'm struggling to keep it on. But it does feel secure. I haven't put the clips in yet. I don't really want to put the clips in because I know my editors do not want clips in the hair.
So this is the finished look. Yeah, I love it. I love the colour. Like, the thing with blonde wigs, they do not suit me unless I've got this rooted ombre sort of thing going on, and hopefully you guys like it, but I do think it's worth the money. And the question is, do blondes have more fun? This is how long it is as well. And yeah, I'm feeling myself. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.